I sat down by the ocean. It's that tears that I feel up with emotions. Could I taste them for real? Longing for you, longing for you. Oh, but I can't get back. What can I do? What can I do? Oh, when you're trailing.
Hello my friends, and welcome back to another video. We are hopping right into the video and starting off in my master bedroom. I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly make my bed, and in today's video we are going to be unpacking from our trip that we just had. We went across the country to visit my family in my hometown, and we got back this day, and so I had to do some unpacking. And so we got back, and the following day I had to get all of the unpacking done and lots of cleaning. So we are doing just kind of some everyday tasks in today's video, as well as some deep cleaning as you saw in the intro. And so I would love to know what you are doing while watching today's video, if you are up and cleaning along with me, or if you are sitting, relaxing, and enjoying a coffee or a drink of choice. Let me know in the comments. And let's go ahead, get the suitcase unpacked, and then we will get into tons and tons of cleaning motivation. So you might have noticed I am working with my daughter's clothes. We usually pack 3 suitcases, so my husband and I share a suitcase, and then the girls share a smaller suitcase, and then we carry an overnight bag, which has just kind of some overnight things, obviously, toothbrushes, a change of clothes, pajamas, and depending how long the trip is, we had a 3-day drive, and so in that overnight bag was 3 pairs of PJs for the girls, 3 pairs of clothes for the girls, and so we pack whatever we need for the days of traveling that we have. And you will notice as well that I am just taking these clothes right out of the suitcase and like hanging them up, putting them away. That is because I always try to keep up on laundry when we are away on vacation if possible, and thankfully we were staying at my parents' house, and so we did laundry before we came. And then I have a garbage bag that I put all of our dirty clothes in so that things don't get mixed and matched. But it's a really good system, so if you haven't tried anything like that, I would highly recommend it when you're traveling. If you have something else that you do, I would love if you would share that with us in the comments. Maybe it can help someone else, and maybe I can start implementing it into our routine when we are traveling.
So baby, put the record on. Baby, put the record on. Hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on. I'm not gonna need that song. Hit it. From the first time I saw ya, you were not like the others, a cool kind of melody. You rattled my cage without warning, kept it up right till the morning, a new kind of ecstasy. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be, a different side of me, yeah. Find a different side of me, like someone pretty neat, a different side of me, yeah. stop signs, counting down till we take flight. It's how you make me feel. Yeah. Let's call in sick and be lazy. I'm all for doing what's crazy, 'cause you make it real, yeah.
So I'm just going ahead and using my multi-purpose cleaner here in the bathroom, giving it a little quick wipe. And then I'm going to be cleaning the mirror in here. The mirror in this bathroom, it's kind of like our main bathroom, our high traffic area. We don't use our basement bathroom a lot. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this cleaned, and then I'm gonna share with you our robot vacuum. His name is Dudley if you are new here, but I'm gonna share with you guys how much he picked up. It is actually insane how much my robot vacuum picks up, you guys. This thing is amazing. It is, I don't even know, probably like a decade. Like, we've had it for so long, so it's probably a solid like 8 to 10 years old, and it is still working incredibly. I feel like he's starting to bite the dust though, so we're gonna have to definitely look into getting another one here when this one breaks, as he's like my life savior. But anyway, I just wanted to share how much he picks up, and this is daily. It is crazy. Moving on, I'm also going to be sharing just a little bit of decorating in today's video.
I like to be a different side of me, yeah. You'll find a different side of me, like someone pretty need a different side of me, yeah.
Try to figure out who I am. Not sure what I'm doing here. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood. Never found somewhere I fit in. Till I met you, I was feeling lost. But you're the one who can make it go away. All you have to do is look at me. Sometimes I can't breathe, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try, don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me.
I'm trying my best to hold on. It's not easy, but I'm feeling stronger with you. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood.
Sometimes I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try, but don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me.
Okay, you guys, I wanted to really let that song play for a little bit. It's called The One Who Saves Me, and I don't know what it is. I just like love that song. I think it's just so relaxing, and yeah, I really enjoyed it, so I wanted to kind of share that with you. So as you can see, I have moved into my main living area. I'm going ahead and dusting the area as well as sweeping. So on top of Dudley going earlier this day, this was a lot later in the day now, and so like honestly, dust and dog hair and dander and all the things. So like if you have kids or you have a dog, you totally understand me, but yeah, there was a lot of stuff, and so I wanted to go ahead and just sweep certain areas before I mopped. But I wanted to ask you guys, do you work room by room, or do you more so work like task by task when you're cleaning your house? I find it depends on my mood. So sometimes my cleaning videos I think are like all over the place, and sometimes I will like vacuum the whole house and then I will mop the whole house, and then other days I will just work room by room, space by space. Let me know in the comments what you do, but I wanted to move out the main entryway bench as I knew that it was probably going to be really bad back here. Dog hair just kind of accumulates back here as well. It just gets in like the nooks and crannies. And yeah, wait until you see how much was behind here hiding.
I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared.
You will see me flying high. I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
I've been saving you. You save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're at a tight end. You, I got you. You got me, got me. You got me, got me. You got me too. Got me, got me. I've been saving you. You save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need it too?
There's another side of you trying to break through, able to tell the truth. No one else can see you like I do. All you ever do is say how far you wanna go. Baby, I can tell it's just for show. Every line designed to let me know. You know you're already accepted. To me, you're always picture perfect. You think you're gonna be rejected. Just say you're in love, 'cause so am I. So am I. Say that you are. So am I. Say that you love me. So am I. Say that you are. So am I. Say that you love me. When we are together, you're afraid to hold my hand, trying to understand. What if this doesn't go as planned?
All right, everybody, it is time to end this relaxing clean with me. We're gonna go ahead and light a candle and just sit back and relax and enjoy the clean house. I hope that you enjoyed this, and we will see you guys in my next one. Bye.